Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Let's say that you ask a question on SuperMemopedia, but you didn't get an answer right away. So some time has passed, 2 weeks, 2 months, whatever, and you want to check if this question has been answered. Since we're all using the same account, unless you're a very old user, we're sharing this account, you don't get notified. So there's one very easy trick. So in my case, I will do from and my name, which is Guillermo. So here you will have to change for your nickname you're using. And you can see I have up to 20. Those are all the questions I had. And let's see, I had one question. Let's say, okay, so the first I noticed is the type on advanced English collection. And adding hover info to all grabs. I don't recall seeing that, so I just click on it. May 1st, that was 4 days ago. And as you can see, I haven't had an answer yet. This is useful, especially if it's very long in time. It's not the best case because it's just 4 days ago, but that will do the trick.